So basically we're making a kale salad today, and our local ingredient is the kale, and we're going to incorporate lemon juice, olive oil, and garlic into the dressing. So, and then we'll see if they like it today, so I'll go around and basically see what their reaction is to it. The kale came from Shared Blessings Farm, and that's Jackie and Charlene, who are the farmers, and they're just great. And we've been getting all our greens from them this last month and this month.
As the kids, a lot of times their very first opinion is always on how it looks, and the minute they taste it, they'll change their attitude and that they'll enjoy the food a lot more. Sometimes, they'll get even more excited, especially when the next week comes around when it's the same food. Also found that stickers, of course, are always a great encouragement for them to try the new things, so always giving them that reward helps to give a lot of feedback as well. For me, it gives me a perspective not only to work in the background in the food services as I'm a nutrition and dietetic student, but it also lets me see that if I choose this as my field, I'll get to see the outcome of how the kids respond to better and healthier choices.
What do you think?
Great.
It's good?
Thanks for trying the salad. Do you like it?